Hello everyone, this is Namatrita and once again welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday and I'm here today at Akshardham, New Jersey to witness the 7 p.m. Aarti and see the spectacular night view of this majestic temple. I have visited this temple 2 to 3 times but always missed the night view of this marvel. It's almost 7 p.m. now and in just few minutes the sun will go down and you'll watch the magic. Most of you by now know everything about the famous BAPS Akshardham, New Jersey, the largest Hindu temple. In fact, I have made 2 videos in details about this place. I'll provide the link below. Please go watch it. During daytime, the temple looks beautiful in its all-white aura. Of course. But the evening view is something to die for. It's so relaxing and peaceful. I could just sit here all day long. Sprawling over few thousands of acres, this temple requires prior registration on special days and weekends. On weekdays, you could just walk in. Actually, on weekends, this place receives higher than average footfall, and it's important for authorities to know what they are expecting so that everyone has a pleasant visit. Now that the weather in New Jersey is getting a little better, I am sure I'm going to come here every weekend. This place has also become a hotspot for not only Hindus or Indians for that matter. I have seen tourists from all over the world visiting here, mostly Mexicans and Chinese people. I've had the opportunity to interact with some of them and they have said the same thing. They feel so much at peace when they come here. Of course, just look at the vibe of this place. The vibes just hits different. Nothing really much to talk about the architecture. It's of course top notch and rare. This is Indian architecture. It's royal, detailed, meaningful, beautiful, majestic. I'm almost lost for adjectives, but yes, this place in New Jersey just hits a different league. That is the straight view from the gate. The temple stands tall and is just gleaming in its own beauty. In fact, if you see the choice of light, it is like so professional. The kind of lighting that has been done here requires real knowledge of light and spaces. It's just so beautiful. I'm seeing this for the first time. I'm seeing the night view for the first time, and it is so beautiful. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like the video, share it with your friends and family. And yes, if you live anywhere in the tri-state area, that is New York, New Jersey or Pennsylvania, you could make this a day trip. If your parents or relatives or friends are visiting you from India and you live close by, of course you can get them here. I'm sure they are going to love it. Bye for today. I'm going to surely come back with another video very soon. Bye-bye.